I did want to cut a hole in the middle if it was big enough and put like a little plastic tub in there and fill it with water like for a chicken pool. But the deck's it's too small though.
Just throw them in your truck.
What a dumbass.
Now we'll start tearing apart the building.
It's almost like she's trying to tell them, hey, come on out.
Yeah. Look,
No, they're like, we're good.
One follows the other, right? Pretty
Usually.
much.
Yeah, once one figures something out, they all follow suit, or one finds food, or... Oh, it's just beautiful. I'm so happy with it.
Yeah.
It's all scrap shit. You know, Fred scrap pallet wood, and I've had those spindles for almost since I moved in, wanting to make a railing for the doggy deck.
Right.
Yep.
I don't know what to say. We're impressed. Good job. Good job. A+. A+.